In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download your Behance portfolio as a PDF. This can be incredibly handy for offline use, client presentations, or portfolio reviews. The simplest method is using Behance's built-in Download PDF feature. Many creators have the option to download their individual projects directly as PDFs. However, this feature might only be available for users with Behance's Pro plan. If you have access, navigate to the project you want to download. The download option is typically found within the project settings or options list under Download as PDF. Keep in mind that this feature allows you to download one project at a time, so you'll need to do this for multiple projects individually if needed. Another option is to use third-party tools to compile full portfolio PDFs. One popular tool is Lasso. With Lasso, you can paste either your project URL or your entire profile URL, select a layout template, and generate a PDF. The free plan may include watermarks, so for high-quality, watermark-free PDFs, you'll need a paid plan. This tool is straightforward and effective for creating quick PDFs. If these options don't suit you, you can use your browser's built-in Print to PDF function. Open your Behance project in your web browser, go to the File menu, and select Print. In the Print dialog box, choose the option to Save as PDF. This method allows you to customize layouts, adjust margins, and tweak image quality, making it a reliable alternative if the built-in option isn't available. For those who want full customization, consider building a custom PDF using your own visuals. Start by downloading the original images from your projects through the Behance Project Editor. Then arrange these images using tools like Adobe InDesign, Illustrator, Figma, or even PowerPoint. Add titles, descriptions, and appealing page layouts, and include clickable links and your contact information for a professional touch. Once you've finished designing, export it as a PDF. This method is excellent for job applications or printed portfolios that stand out. And there you have it. Whether you use Behance's built-in feature, third-party tools, or design a custom layout, you now have several effective ways to download your Behance portfolio as a PDF. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more Behance and design tutorials.